told them in this place, you give them 2 deca of rice. It is here 2 deca of rice. Maggi, salt, tomato, groundnut oil. Amala, take, go and vote. They will not be singing. Hey, hey. A man was giving, a Yoruba was giving elderly woman one spaghetti. A video, I have the video. Hey, she said one spaghetti. I was angry. This is bad now. We should tell ourselves the truth in this place.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, Professor Wolesoyinka has come and said that Peter Obi must not come out and run for 2027 presidency. And he has also come and said that Peter Obi is one instigating Obiendent to insult himself and other people that are against Peter Obi presidency. What can you say to this?
Thanks for having me on a wonderful platform. I'm the spokesman of the Obiendent in this vicinity. And nobody, no matter who you are, you cannot insult Peter Obi and make allegations against him. I must correct the allegations. I don't care who you are. Now listen, I have it here. Punch newspaper. November 12, 2022. Peter Obi said, Punch newspaper. Obi cautions supporters, Labour Party candidates, against insulting others. So Peter Obi is not meant to insult anybody. He don't insult. It's now, when we talk about a candidate that have capacity, commitment, character, and competence, Peter Obi is that candidate. Peter Obi as a candidate has a plan to make Nigeria a great nation. You understand? You see, a good name is better than silver and gold. Let me give an example. Since EFCC have been releasing names of people that have stolen Nigeria's money, has Peter Obi's name ever been there? The answer is no. And wolesoyinka knows it. Instead, wolesoyinka should tell the candidate that they are using agberos, that are using thugs, that are using people that are insulting people. You cannot tackle them. Look at where this country is going. My brother, families have been separated. There's hunger, there's poverty, there's anger. 1 year of renewed hopelessness, 1 year of renewed hunger, 1 year of renewed poverty. You cannot speak truth to power. But everything you are doing is to insult Peter Obi. The same man insulted our President Goodluck Jonathan. The same man, I'm telling you, he went to Ojota when economy was good, economy was stable. 165 naira was the price of petroleum. Jonathan now increased it. Said no, he said, let us remove fuel subsidy and save money. Our economy under Jonathan was #1 in Africa. It's a fact. Now, Wolesoyinka and some pastors, they went to Ojota to protest. Now, Jonathan must bring back fuel to 65 naira or nothing. And Jonathan is a very peaceful man. He doesn't want wahala. He removed it. Now, listen, the price of fuel today is over 700. The same Wolesoyinka he has kept quiet. He has not come out to tackle the government. Instead, he's tackling Peter Obi.
Is he a tribalist? Maybe because Tinubu is in power and maybe you say Tinubu is his friend. That's why he's not coming out to speak. Because normally with the hardship in the country now, you expect someone like Wolesoyinka to speak truth to power. Just like as he's saying, he's saying that if any Obiendent can tell him not to say the truth, that means that person is highly sick or says that if he cannot come and say the truth at his age, that means something is wrong with him. Is it that he's being tribalistic, not tackling Tinubu's government?
No, he did a good thing. He supported Biafra, which is very good. Posterity will judge him for that. But when it now comes to supporting candidates, I think that that he has his own people. Wolesoyinka seems to have his own people that he likes, that they can do no wrong in front of him. If you can be criticizing Jonathan, that is a good man, that people are enjoying against. How many times did he criticize Muhammadu Buhari? He called the wife of Jonathan a good man. He called the wife Hippopotamus. It's a fact. He called Jonathan a Nebuchadnezzar. If you can call Jonathan a Nebuchadnezzar, then what is Buhari? Then what is Tinubu? But Nigerians enjoyed under Jonathan. You understand? Since they were families were stable. See, let me tell you, under Jonathan you can buy a bag of rice 7,500. 200 naira can buy you in Nigeria 3 Indomies, 2 egg, 1 Pepsi, and two pure water. Now, that same money cannot buy you. That's one naira cannot buy you even 1 Indomie. And now you have kept quiet. It is, see, let me tell you, you cannot keep quiet where things are going bad and now be attacking Peter Obi. This is what I'm saying. And I've been saying that okay, if because Peter Obi is an igbo man, you don't want them to become president, they've allowed them to go and leave the country. Then if only you want Yoruba and Fulani to be ruling Nigeria, then no problem. Allow the Igbo to go. Because Nigeria is not a Yoruba nation. Nigeria is not a Fulani nation. It's for everybody. So if you don't want the Igbo people to become president, then allow them to go. Then be ruling Nigeria with only Yoruba and Fulani. Well, see, I am against tribalism. I am against bigotry. You must say the truth at every time. Jesus says in John 8:32, you shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free. You are in a nation where people are hungry, and then you keep on deceiving people. That Peter Obi is the problem. Is Peter Obi the president? Wives are separating because where there is no finance, there cannot be romance. Wives are separating with their husbands. Children are separating with their fathers. Divorce are happening because there's no money. There's no money. People are dying of hunger, of poverty, and every time it's Peter Obi.
But when you come and say that Peter Obi is behind Obiendent attacking people, you know, that against Peter Obi, do you not think it's going too far? Because Peter Obi is someone that likes peace. Everybody knows that he's someone that doesn't have problem. So I don't know, but why is wolesoyinka just just every time now and then just always attacking Peter Obi?
After the election, when we the Obiendent, because I'm the spokesman of the Obiendent in this place, when we saw that this election was not free and fair, and it's a useless election, we wanted to come out and protest. It was Peter Obi that called us and said no, he wants peace, that is going to the court. That means Peter Obi is a peaceful man. I've given you the date. It's on the Punch newspaper, the headline, that Peter Obi, the date is 12 November 2022. Obi cautions supporters, the party candidate, against insulting others. But as we saw in Lagos, where people are using agberos to scare away voters. Here they don't allow a voters from some ethnic group to come and vote. Let me tell you, the obedience movement is not an Igbo movement. It's not a Calabar movement. It's not an Edo movement. It's not a Yoruba movement. The obedience movement is for everybody. And everybody in your part of Nigeria will love Peter Obi. Forget what some evil people are saying. We know him. We love him. He took an Abase from 26th in West Africa examination WAEC to number 1. It's a fact. Even the white chairman came to confirm it, but now WAEC has deleted the video. But I have the video, and some of you don't have the videos. We are against injustice. We are against tribalism in this country. If you are hungry, you are hungry. If you are poor, you are poor. What a Yoruba man will buy at 15 naira, Igbo man will buy, Hausa man will buy. Under Jonathan, when gas for 7,005, a Yoruba man will buy, Hausa man will buy, Igbo man will buy. People are enjoying. Now that it's almost 75,000 naira now, everybody's buying the same thing. There's no different market for Igbo, no different market for Yoruba, no different market for Hausa, for Fulani. They are all facing the same situation. So then why can't you face the president and say, tell him the truth? You understand? So we the Obiendent, we say no to this tribal. We say no. We don't want. We know nobody can demarcate Peter Obi. EFCC, they be releasing names of people that stolen money. His name is not there. He said, I am not a saint and I'm not a thief. If I have stolen any money, bring it out. I won't contest 2023 election. Peter Obi said it. You understand? So I don't be able to bring out his name. No. My father used to tell me that a good name is better than silver and gold. Peter Obi has that good name. No matter how you try to paint him bad, the name stands for him. And there's nothing anybody can do against it. You understand? You say, okay, the Igbo people, they should unite. They are already united. They bring the best candidates in Nigeria. Okay, in Nigeria, the Yoruba man has become the president. Obasanjo, that one, Obasanjo is from Ogun State. You are from the same clan of Obasanjo is an Egba man. I'm an Egba man. Wolesoyinka is an Egba man. You are the same Egba people. A Yoruba man become president. A Fulani man. May so rest in peace. Yeah, he died. Then Jonathan from Niger Delta and a German. Then again, a Fulani man, Buhari. Ordinarily, common sense, it should go to the southeast. Then a competent Igbo man came out. He said no. What are you talking about? This government is the most incompetent in the history of Nigeria. I've been saying that Buhari ordinarily his government is the worst government in the history of Nigeria. But the way this government is going, they are going to overtake Buhari as the worst government in the history of Nigeria.
But yesterday, Tinubu came and said that Nigeria from now henceforth will start enjoying that he has when he came to power, Nigeria was bleeding, but from now he has worked, he has tried to rectify things that from now Nigeria will start enjoying. But at the same time, price of food items is not coming down. Price of petroleum, petrol is still on the high side. Security everywhere in the north is still things are not still going well. Do you think that from now henceforth, from 29th of May, do you think that things will come down?
Let me tell you, no matter how you wish, a goat cannot become a cow. If you put anointing oil on a goat, that goat cannot become a cow. You cannot give what you don't have. Peter Obi was busy campaigning that I have competence. He said, don't vote for me because I'm a Christian. Don't vote for me because I'm an igbo man. Vote for me because I have competence, character, capacity, and commitment. Listen, the other man was saying that it is my turn. That's the difference. Peter Obi said that I will empower the people first. Then I will start taxing them. The other person was saying that I will reduce position of people and I will widen the tax net. Look at now, everywhere is taxing. So that is the point. It's not about it. See, you cannot give what you don't have. If it didn't they. Like I've been saying it, a group of monkeys can hijack a car. That's not a problem. Okay, let them drive the car. Let us see. They have found a way to make sure that they are the president. Okay, then govern the country. This is the truth. We should fear nobody in this country where this country is going. Nigeria is not going on the right direction. I was able to stand, able to say it. I cannot be alive and somebody will be insulting Peter Obi. Who are you? What are you talking about? If you say what he has done is different, but be insulting him, try to tarnish his image, is not possible. So wolesoyinka should direct his anger in the right direction, please. Tell wolesoyinka, please direct your anger in the right direction. Enough of these games, enough of these gimmicks.
And lastly, that in an interview with Arise TV, they asked him that why is wolesoyinka constantly insulting Peter Obi. He said wolesoyinka is scared of good governance, and that's why he's asking this way. That's why he continues to say lambast Peter Obi and himself every now and then.
I will speak about it on your platform one day. Let me tell you something. After the civil war, the Igbo people, they were giving 20 pounds each to rebuild their life, right? Okay. Assuming their leaders were giving them small money or plate of food, they will not be where they are today. But because their leaders, especially from Anambra State, the businessmen, they make sure that they empower them. You serve Oga for how many years? Then your guy will now give you shops and everything. Then it becomes something great. That's why I like the Igbo people. You understand? My best friend is an Igbo person. I'm a Igbo person. So now, they are afraid of good government. Peter Obi will not be sharing money. I told you, people came to meet me here that they are tired of this government. They want to join the obedience movement. And I told them, I am only a spokesman of the obedience. Obedience is not a political party. But if you want to join the obedience movement, Peter Obi, they give shishi. He will not give you money. They call him stingy man. But sure that you want good governance. Make sure that number one, you are educated. Number two, you have something that you are doing. So that they not be playing you. Number three, make sure that you rise above tribalism and religious bigotry. Do you understand? So all of them, they are afraid of good government. Peter Obi has promised good government. You know what I'm saying? Peter Obi has promised good government. They are afraid of good government. But there's nothing anybody can do. No human being can stop the sun from shining. When Peter Obi's time is come, he will surely become the president, whether anybody likes it or not.
Thank you very much.
Poverty, insecurity, inflation does not know tribe or religion. I told them. Even Buhari, that we say is the worst president, is not better than our human beings are not missing Buhari. I said, if we can miss Buhari in Nigeria, that means something is wrong. Is it not like that? As I was coming from my house one day, 3 people came to meet me. Thank God, come, I said, come. Obi and Atiku won't join together. I say, what's the problem? Say, I beg. Make them join together. I say, good morning, no. It's true now, good morning. I want you here. I told you in this place. You kept calling me, you're a bastard. You hate Yoruba, you're a bastard. I'm a Yoruba person, but the truth is the truth. Let us see the truth and say it. Now look at it. Then and now, they now want Peter Obi to come back. And you see.
Okay, come back.
Because the man have brain of it's a trader, a trader can multiply money. He have brain, not just a politician. that you don't know anything in politics. They put all their children in politics, all their wife in politics. You, they don't know you. They have used you and dumped you.
They don't know you.
They don't know you now. You give them. See, I told them in this place. You give them 2 decades of rice. It is here 2 decades of rice. Maggi, salt, tomato, groundnut oil. Amala, take. Go and vote. They will not be singing. Hey. A man was giving. A Yoruba man was giving elderly woman one spaghetti. A video. I have the video. Hey, sister, one spaghetti. I was angry. This is bad now. We should tell ourselves the truth in this place. How can Posa be receiving you every year? The same thing you do every year. Don't collect money from any person again. Vote your mind now that, oh, this man can do it. My mind. I don't care the person, but just your mind. But honestly, the money they give you, we finish.
We know they hear for Nigeria. We know they hear.
No, you see, let me tell you. Poverty has been weaponized. And democracy cannot work where there's poverty and illiteracy.
In a developed country, something like this, it doesn't happen now.
It doesn't happen. Yes, because no. See, my brother, let me give you an example. When you are okay, if somebody call you and say come and take 5,000 and vote for somebody, you cannot vote because you have that money. But somebody that is not working, they brainwash him and you give him small money and food, he will vote for the wrong candidate. That is the problem. So poverty and illiteracy have been weaponized. That whenever election comes, you must vote for a wrong leader because it's from your tribe. You understand? So it is intentional. They made it so that when you are so poor, you must vote for the wrong candidate, which I am against. Muslim ticket, a mumu ticket, Muslim, mumu. Even the people that are Muslim ticket, even the Muslims themselves, they don't. Now let me tell you, under Jonathan, you know that Eid Kabir is coming. They call it, we call it Ileya. Under Jonathan, people they will be buying goats, rams up and down. Have you seen one ram pass here? Some of them they are giving them quick notice. This is frustration everywhere. But we want them that the only way to go is to vote for a man that have competence, capacity. They say no, you want to vote for our tribe. Oh yeah, your tribe, enjoy it. I told them, I said, after 2 years, all of you become obedient. Less than 5 months, they are not coming to meet me. That's the problem. You know what I'm saying? So now everybody should learn.